Hello, universe. This is our new bird. His name is Zim. You guys voted Zim over Bildo. And he is a very loving bird, and he loves to come out and get pet, but since I'm the Charlie Brown of the universe, he does this really weird thing where he likes to scream when we pet him. So, every time I pet him, he does this. He loves it. Now this is a lot of fun when he constantly wants to be pet and you're watching a movie and you got him screaming the entire time. This is his favorite thing to do. Get pet and scream. I bet you wish we named him Bildo now. Just shut up. I'll pet you. Yeah. He loves it. So yeah, that's me. Got blessed with a screaming bird that only wants to be pet and scream. So, thank you, universe, for naming him Zim. And, there you go. Oh, look at him. There you go. That's my little screaming bird. There you go, buddy. He loves it.